So this is Voy app, and it is partnered by Binance Lab. So today I'm going to teach you how to farm Voy token. So here you can trade from different pair. So USD, BTC, Ethereum USD, Ton USD, Hyperliquid USD, Bitcoin USD, Solana USD, Doge USD. So in my case, I have traded Solana. So if you tap the position here, so currently I'm earning around $544 here plus 1,000 VT points. So that's the process of how to earn. So all you need to do is place a position, long or short, then try to earn. Once you've earned, you will earn also the points that you are currently farming. So there's another way to farm here. So you can also farm auto trade. You can go to auto trade or just farm the tap to earn, which is the game tap earn game. So the the tap is causing some sort of delay. So I don't know why the coin are not popping. I kept on touching it, so it's kind of hard to farm this tap to earn. Uh, the game itself, this one that I'm currently playing, it's kind of hard. It it there's some sort of delay tapping the coin. So here I only earned $14. So the best way for you to earn fast is to trade. So just trade uh, coin, select a pair. In my case, I'm trading Solana. I'm uh, placing a long position here. So currently I'm for 541 uh, profit or PNL. Yan. So again, you can also auto trade and try to uh, select the earn. There are tasks here, so you can unlock those tasks and earn VT points. So I think the coin will be rewarded is the VT token. So uh, I think we need to focus on earning BT token. And I don't know if what's the purpose of US dollar here, but I think it can be some sort of multiplier. So it's still good to farm USD as well. So focus on farming USD and BT here. Okay, you can invite your friend at the friend section and click your referral code and post it in your website. So I'm gonna post my referral code. So referral code. So it's up to you if you are going to use it or not. I'm not forcing anyone to use it, but if you want to use it, just feel free to do so. So hope you enjoy the video. Peace and out. And yeah, once again, this is a new top to earn Telegram airdrop, which is also partnered by Binance Lab. So it's a huge project. Okay, so peace and out and show.